good afternoon. Okay, my name is Nushakira binti Johari. My magic number is 259448. Okay, today I will present about the infographic about Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. Okay, in the background of this movie, actually, this is the American superhero film based on the Marvel comics, featuring the character of the Shang-Chi. This also produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by the Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. Okay, it is a 25th film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The film was directed by the distinct Daniel Cretton. Okay, in this background of the this movie, actually we can say that actually Shang-Chi is the main actor here. So we also known Shang-Chi is the master of the Kung Fu and Brother Hand, which is a superhero that appearing an American comic books that published by Marvel Comics. Okay, the character also was created by writer which is Steve Englehart Starlin and artist Jim Starlin, and debuting in a special Marvel edition. Okay, in the Bronze Age of the comic books, we are staring in his own solo title until 1983. Okay, Shang-Chi actually is a provision in numerous unarmed and weaponry-based wushu styles, including the use of the gun, nunchaku, and jian. Okay, they also was spun off from novelist Sax Rohmer's licensed property as the unknown as the son of the fictional villain Fu Manchu. In later edition, this connection to Fu Manchu was underplayed after the Marvel lost the comic book rights to the latest character, which is to get around this problem. The publisher eventually started calling Shang-Chi's father, which is Zhang Ju. Okay, Shang-Chi movie also made his live action debut in the Marvel Cinematic Universe film, where is portrayed by Simu Liu. Okay, next we are going to the impacts of the movie of the Shang-Chi. Okay, actually Marvel Shang-Chi is changing what it means to show the representation in movies. It also the first Asian superhero Marvel has seen. There were expectations on how Asian culture would be represented, and also the fight of the scenes also contain the special Chinese martial arts fighting method, which is Kung Fu. Other than that, the cultural important parts of the movie were the wardrobe and set design. Shang-Chi will go down as one of the Marvel most popular, successful and impactful movies made. Half the movie was written in Chinese, which has never been seen before in any Marvel movie. This movie was more than just a superhero movie for the Asia. Here we can say that the media's of continual portrayal of Asian Americans in this fashion is a contributing factor towards anti-Asian hate and violence. Okay, the lack of the positive representation in this media was impactful towards generation of young people, which is the response of many Asian American students on campus was that this movie was a refreshing break from past depictions and hopefully a step towards even more multi-dimensional, varied and interesting Asian characters in the future. Okay, they also as Evan Seong is a junior who identified the more American, said that he particularly found that the contribution of the character Katie, played by Awkwafina, to be a vital addition to the movie. And then to him, actually the character represented the what it's like to be Asian American. Okay, so here for being a Asian American need to be a unique experience, feeling torn between two communities. That is heritage raises you at home, but you also grow up in American culture. Next, for lesson learned in this Shang-Chi, first you don't have to be good at everything, but it is important to be good at one useful thing. Example like in this movie, Katie is really good at driving, which was essential for Sean's team. Katie's driving skill actually saved them multiple times. Okay, next, trust takes your stupid and one event to lose. For example, like Sean promised his sister that he will be back in 3 days. His sister wait for 3 days, then 3 months, then 6 years. Lastly, after 6 years, then Sean come back to see his sister. Okay, the third one is people need supporters, not critics. For example, in this movie, which is Katie's mom and friend often criticize her for not living up her full potential. The last point is the good relationship with family is the key to our happiness. Sorry. Okay. For example, in this movie, which is Sean saw his mother sacrifice herself to save him and his sister when he was young. Okay. Next, I'm going to say about the ethical acts. Okay. There are three types of ethical acts in this movie, which is courage, perseverance, and teamwork. Firstly, we are going to say about the courage. Courage is the ability to do something that frightens one, or like bravery, that strength in the face of pain or grief. Okay, for example, in this movie, we can say that when Sang-Chi, Sean, is to fight his father to make his father stop to call the evil monster. Okay. Secondly, when Katie dares to join Hep, she has friends even though she has no strength. Thirdly, when Katie dares to shoot at the evil throat when evil wants to take power from the dragon. Okay. One is perseverance. Okay, perseverance is that persistent in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success, which is for example, his perseverance with the technique illustrates his single-mindedness. For example, in this movie, when Sean preserved when he saw his mother die in front of his eyes. They also preserve when, according to his father's instruction, to train Sean to be an assassin even though he could not afford it. Okay, the point is about teamwork. Okay, teamwork means that people will try to cooperate using their individual skills and providing constructive feedback, or despite any personal conflict between individuals. Okay, for example, in this movie, is when Sean and Katie team up against her father's people on the bus. Second, when the mythology theme of the Ten Rings and the mystical village of Talo work together against the evil coming out of the cave.